So I thought it would be fun to come in today and talk to you about recreating an outfit that you saw on a celebrity or someone else, and then how to make it your own. Okay, so today I'm really excited because there's a new show that I've been watching, or I actually finished watching it. I binged it in pretty quickly, I don't know, 2, 3 days. It's called The Queen's Gambit. And the main actress in this series is really fun. She has really great style. And it's the kind of thing, it's like a slow drip of fashion because it starts off, she's, I think, 11 years old, or she's a kid, and she comes into her own. It's a coming of age, I guess, kind of a story with some twists. I definitely recommend it. But she comes into her own and she really comes to love fashion. It becomes a big part of who she is. And there's this one scene where she goes into the store and you can just see how she starts to come alive when she realizes what's in her power, what's in her control, and how she can get these really beautiful dresses and put them on, and they make her feel really special. So you can see her really coming into her own fashion wise, and it's just really fun to watch and look at all the outfits. It takes place in the 60s, I believe. So it's a bit of a retro style, and I got really inspired watching it, and it got me thinking about recreating outfits that we love on somebody else, often a celebrity, or maybe it's on social media. Maybe it's even someone that you know in your real life, but we see this person wearing this outfit and we think, yeah, I want that. I want to wear that. I want to look like that. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. Is I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how you can do that, how you can recreate an outfit and make it your own. All right. So the reason that you want to do this, that you want to learn how to do this, is because, and I know this because I did it, I actually use some examples that I'm going to share with you in a moment here. So I actually put together outfits based on inspiration that I saw. And the reason that you want to learn how to do this is because being able to take inspiration from outside of yourself, so something that you see on someone else, being able to take that inspiration and then to make it your own, this is a really foundational skill that you want to have as you develop your personal style, okay? And it really gets you to look at your own clothes in a new way, and it inspires you to put together outfits in ways that you may not have necessarily done before, right? So you see inspiration and then you try all these new ideas working with your clothes. So that's what I did. I got some inspiration. I'm going to share the TV actresses that I got my inspiration from, and I'm going to show you the outfits that I put together. And because this is the Closet Shopping Collective, I had the challenge of, I'm only going to use clothes that I already own. Okay. So I didn't shop for this, and I'm not putting together, lookbooks based on shopping suggestions. I just went into my closet to see what I could come up with. Okay. So that's what I love about this. That's how you really start to get more creative and to really build your styling skills. Okay. So I am going to share my screen, and I am going to start off with one outfit over here. And to begin, I actually want to talk about what I don't recommend doing. Okay. Yep, there it is. All right. So this is what I do not recommend doing. All right. This is basically seeing an outfit that you love. Okay. I just want to make sure. There it is. Okay. This is when you take an outfit that you love. You'll note, okay, so let me just back up. On the left, this is Shiv. She's the character in that TV show Succession, which was one of my favorite. Okay. And I was Googling around, I was on the internet, and then I saw this other person who had the same outfit as Shiv. Okay. So this is seeing an outfit that you love, right? So you see that outfit, and this is just copying that outfit from head to toe. This is just taking that outfit and doing exactly the same thing. Okay. So this goes against everything that I believe in because it completely lacks creativity. And it's basically stealing her style and it is not reinterpreting it. Okay. It's not expressing your style. It's just expressing her style on your body. Okay. So this is what I do not recommend to do. Now, you can if you want to, right? If you really love an outfit, maybe it'll work for you. You can try it, but I really encourage the creativity that I'm going to talk about because that's really, like I said, a foundational component of your personal style. You want to be able to get creative and find new ways to wear your clothes, and you really want to be able to reinterpret what you see on someone else, and you want to make it your own. Okay. You want it to be your style, not hers. All right. So let's talk about how you do that. That's what I'm going to share with you right now. How do you look at an outfit and how do you make it your own? How do you reinterpret it? Okay. So the first thing that you're going to do is when you look at the outfit, now let's look at Shiv's outfit. When you look at the outfit, instead of looking at it as a whole outfit, you're going to break it down into the style elements. Okay. So you're going to look at what she's wearing and you're going to break it up into the components. Okay. So the style elements are like the ingredients that go into the dish, right? That's the outfit. All right. So once you look at all the style elements, then you're going to pinpoint 2 or 3 of these elements that you love. Okay. And then you are going to reinterpret those style elements and you're going to make that into your own outfit. All right. So I'm going to give you an example and I'm going to show you how I did this on one of my outfits. Okay. So let's stop the share screen, but just take a good look at what she's wearing. She's got the black turtleneck with the necklace. She's got the high-waisted belted plaid pants. Okay. So now let's take a look at one of the outfits that I did. So this is my reinterpretation of that outfit. I'm looking for it. Where is it? I have so many windows open over here. Okay, I think I found it. There it is. All right. So there's the outfit that I reinterpreted. All right. Using only my clothes from my closet. All right. So the style elements that I loved from her outfit were the black turtleneck with the necklace outside of the turtleneck. Okay, so that was the first style element that I did. Okay, then the next style element that I loved was I love the high-waisted pants. All right, that are belted high-waisted pants. Okay, and then the other style element that I love from her outfit was I love the proportion that she was wearing a fitted top with a baggier bottom. So that's what I did. I put together a fitted turtleneck and then those pants are pleated and they're fuller. So it gave me that same silhouette. All right. So this does not look like that outfit. This is how I reinterpreted that outfit and I made it my own. All right. So let us look at another example from another TV show. Oh yeah. Let's look at Beth. This is Beth from The Queen's Gambit. Okay, so this is the show that I was talking about. If you haven't watched it yet, this is her. Okay, and her style was really fun. All right, so looking at her style, then I want to find a few elements that I like that I want to reimagine or reinterpret. Okay, so for this outfit, what I really love I love the monochromatic palette. Okay, big fan of monochromatic palettes. I think it's a really easy way to just pull together your look. I also love the clean lines. Okay, you see how her lines are all very straight, they're all very clean. I love that. Okay, and I also love the soft hat. Okay, so this is an outerwear kind of an outfit, something that she's wearing outside. So I love the soft hat that's on her head. All right, so this is Beth's outfit. Now let's take a look and see how I reimagined it. And it's what I'm wearing right now. So, and this is what I loved about this whole exercise. When you try it for yourself, I never would have put this together, but because I was thinking about that outfit and I was thinking about the monochromatic palette and I was thinking about the clean lines, right? Now, I don't have that outfit at all that she has, okay? But what I did have was similar things, all right? So it starts where I just put together, so I did really clean lines, okay? And then this is as monochromatic as it gets for me with this palette, because I actually, the first thing I thought of when I saw that was I actually have this jacket that's really similar. Let's lift this up a little bit more. Okay, so I actually had a really similar jacket to her, and this is it, right? So I have the monochromatic with the clean lines. You know, I also have the buttons, and then I also have these kind of soft hats. All right, so that are in the same palette. So I actually have. I'm going to share a picture so that you can see it a little bit better how it looks. Let's take a peek at, right, so here's how it looks when it all comes together when I put it with the hat, right? So this is the same, this is how the outfit that I recreated that was inspired by that outfit that Beth was wearing, okay? So again, it's definitely not the same thing that she's wearing. It looks very different. I made it my own, right? I worked with the pieces that I had and I put them together. As I said to you, I would have never thought to pair this together, but because I had her outfit in my mind, it really inspired me to try new things with what I have, all right? And that's what I hope that it inspires you to do. All right, so I've got one more example from another TV star, and this is a really fun one to do. I think we all know who this is. I actually am not that familiar with the TV show. I looked it up, or was it a movie or a TV show? It's called Funny Face. This is a very famous outfit. I think we all know it. And when I look at this outfit and I pick out a couple style elements that I love and that I want to recreate, I would go for the 60s vibe, right? That 60s era, that's a style element. I love that. So definitely want to recreate that. Again, you know, monochromatic, that always is just something that I love and like to do. Also what I really like here is the slim silhouette, okay? So not like Shiv's outfit, which had the fuller bottoms and the more fitted top. This is a slim outfit, okay? So now let's take a look at how I did that. So I've got to find, so sometimes it gets a little confusing when I have all these, but I think it's going to be okay. All right, there it is. So let's take a peek and see how I did this. Now this is actually, so I recreated this look. I did this, so in the Closet Shopping Collective, we did a challenge. I can't remember when it was exactly. It was last spring. And this was when it was a curated closet challenge. So I remember I used this outfit of Audrey Hepburn back then because I wanted to wear leggings. This was right when the pandemic started, right? And it's like all about leggings and sweatpants when the pandemic started. So I wanted to wear leggings. So I was thinking about, well, how could I do that? So there I went for the monochromatic palette, right? I did the slim silhouette, right? So I've got my leggings and my sweater. So it's a very slim silhouette. And then I recreated the 60s vibe. I reinterpreted it to align with who I am, right? So it matches me. And then I put the fun scarf in my hair, okay? So that's just another example of how you can recreate some inspiration that you see on somebody else, right? So if you're looking at someone else, if you see somebody on TV, if there's shows that you like, I definitely encourage you to check out the Queen's Gambit just to look at the fashion. But even there's so many shows and there's so many people out there that have on inspiring outfits. So it's just going to be a really good skill for you to be able to take that inspiration. I always encourage you to look outside of yourself for inspiration. That's how we can get new ideas, right? It's like you get the inspiration and you bring it in, and then it's like you filter it through your personality, through your body, and through your life, right? And then you make it your own, okay? So if you're not sure how to reinterpret inspiration into your own style, or if you maybe feel like you have no style at all and you're just feeling really confused, then I can definitely help you. And I would like to invite you to join me on a complimentary call where we will look at your personal style, where you are getting stuck, and how you want your style to be, right? You may not have any ideas, but you probably know how you want to look and feel in your clothes every day. So we'll talk about that. And then I'm going to share with you what I see is really standing in your way of having that inspired style, right? And then we're going to talk about what you can do so that you feel more confident putting outfits together and you have a style you love, okay? So I encourage you to book the call. I am going to put the link over here in the comments so you can book it really easily. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. I wanted to share with you how to take inspiration and how to make it your own, okay? This is a fundamental skill with your personal style. All right, so that's what I wanted to share. I am loving your feedback, your comments, and your engagement on our threads every day. The reason I post these questions for you is because I'm encouraging you to really think about how you want your style to be. What is it that you like? How do you want to look? It's good to think about these things, right? This is really important when you're defining your personal style. So I will be back here next week with another live at 3. Join me live at 3 p.m. Eastern, and I will see you in the group. All right, take care. Bye.